Did you know cooking can destroy some of the essential nutrients in your food? While cooking makes some foods easier to digest, it can also strip away key vitamins and enzymes. Today, we're exploring the power of raw foods, why they're great for your health, and how to add more of them to your diet. Let's dive in. Heat can break down water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C and B vitamins, as well as important enzymes that aid digestion. By eating raw, you preserve these nutrients and get the full benefits. Raw foods contain natural digestive enzymes that help break down food more efficiently. This can lead to better gut health, improved absorption of nutrients, and less bloating. Raw fruits and veggies are naturally high in water, helping to keep you hydrated and giving you a natural energy boost. Foods like cucumbers, melons, and celery are packed with water and essential electrolytes. Raw foods are rich in antioxidants and phytonutrients that help fight inflammation, strengthen the immune system, and protect against disease. Raw foods are naturally high in fiber, which keeps you full longer and reduces cravings. They're also lower in calories, making them great for weight management. Quick and easy meal ideas: smoothies, blend spinach, banana, and berries for a nutrient-packed drink. Raw salads: toss together fresh greens, tomatoes, nuts, and avocado. Veggie sticks and dips: carrots, bell peppers, and cucumber with hummus or guacamole. Simple swaps: eat raw nuts instead of processed snack bars. Choose fresh fruit over sugary desserts. Add sprouts and microgreens to sandwiches and wraps for extra nutrients. Myths and concerns about raw foods. Myth 1: you have to eat 100% raw to get benefits. Not true. Even adding some raw foods to your diet can improve your health. Balance is key. Myth 2: raw foods are hard to digest. While some people may struggle with raw cruciferous veggies like broccoli, starting slow and chewing well can help. Fermented foods like sauerkraut can also improve digestion. Avoid if you have histamine intolerance. Myth 3: raw foods aren't safe. As long as you wash your produce properly and store it correctly, raw foods are completely safe. Ready to give raw foods a try? Start by adding just one raw meal a day and see how you feel. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite raw food. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs a health boost.